Hi guys, welcome back to myself. I'm Liz Street, and for today's video, from the previous vlog kasi nagpunta ako dito ay 2 weeks ago, and then I asked for a library card, pero kasi hinihingian nila ako ng valid IDs na merong address, pero wala nga ako noon kasi yung passport nga is walang address. So they suggest if they can send this to our home. And then, if I receive it, ayan, pwede ko siyang dalhin dito. Yeah, that's why I'm here again to get my library card. So, let's see.
Okay, you got this in the mail?
Yeah.
And do you have your ID with you? Perfect. Okay. This looks like my handwriting. I think I wrote this. Okay. And we have different colors, different phrases.
Is it the same?
They're all the same. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I got purple.
Good choice. That's mine. That's my favorite.
Yay, finally got my library card. So, pinili ko yung purple. Yay, purple. So, gagamitin ko na siya ngayon. And for you to be able to use their computers inside of the library, you need to enter your PIN number and your PIN number. So, ayan na guys. Bali, nakuha ko na siya. Ayan. Pinili ko yung purple. So, bali ito yung card number sa taas. Siyempre, tatakpan ko yan. Tapos, yung PIN number niya ay yung last 4 digit ng cellphone number ko. Oh, yan. And then, tapos meron silang basic rules sa pag-borrow ng mga books. So, pwede tayong humiram ng up to 40 items sa isang card. And then, including, so, bali ito yun. So, ito yung mga naka-indicate dito na mga pwedeng hiramin. And then, included na rin dito yung mga 5 videos. And then, pwede natin siyang hiramin sa loob ng 3 weeks. And then, ito na yung mga pwede natin hiramin, yung mga books, magazines, CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, video games, and more. And then, tapos ang dami nilang branches. Oh, diba? Ang dami. Kahit dito mo siya hiniram sa Millwoods, pwede mo siya isole sa lahat ng branches nila. Dito sa Edmonton, napakarami pala nilang library sa Edmonton. So, this is your, ano nga nakalagay? This is your passport of learning. Ano ang galing? Ayan. Tapos meron pang libreng eco bag. Oh, diba? So, ayan guys. Ganun lang kasimple mag-avail ng library card dito sa Edmonton. And I hope makakuha rin kayo ng yung library card for free. Get your free now. So, at avail natin yung mga benefits ng paghiram at pag-borrow ng mga books and CDs and DVDs. Thank you for watching and see you to my next video.